Meaning of fascia board.
Fascia board.
Fascia board.
Fascia board.
Fascia board. A fascia board is a long, straight board that runs along the lower edge of a roofline, supporting the bottom row of roof tiles or shingles and covering the ends of the roof rafters. It also provides a surface for attaching gutters. Fascia boards are commonly made of wood or UPVC and come in various depths and widths to suit different roof designs. They play an important role in protecting the roof and the building from rainwater damage and adding aesthetic value to the structure.